How to uninstall and reinstall the Indodax app. First of all, open the settings on your device and scroll down to Apps or Application Manager. Find Indodax in the list of installed apps and tap on it. Next, tap on Uninstall and confirm the action. The app will be completely removed from your device. After uninstalling, open your Play Store and type Indodax in the search bar. Look for the official app with the recognizable logo and developer name listed as Indodax. Tap on the app to go to its details page, then hit install. The app will download and install automatically, which may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once installed, tap open to launch the app. Log in using your credentials if you already have an account, or follow the on-screen instructions to register a new one. After logging in, you will be taken to the main dashboard where you can access all the features of the Indodax app, including viewing cryptocurrencies, checking market prices, and making trades. Reinstalling the app ensures you have the latest updates and smoother performance. Now you know how to uninstall and reinstall the Indodax app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.